Hey guys, welcome to another video. It's 5 o'clock in the morning and I'm feeling like doing an unboxing. 2 weeks ago I got a Galaxy Flip 4 and I have been quite excited to finally grab one of these. This is the Galaxy Z Fold 4. I've never owned one of these and the only time I've ever held one is in a Best Buy, so it'll be really awesome to hold it longer than 5-10 minutes. I got my SIM ejector tool, which is what I will be using to unbox this. Because all you gotta do is cut a little bit of the paper in the back. Like I mentioned in my flip video, boxes are pretty thin. There's just not much in there. I'm pretty sure there's no brick. Just a phone and all. Alright. But anyway, this is the first time I'm opening this box, and it's very similar to the Flip 4 so far. I got a little packaging right here, and it's got the little cutout for the camera, which aligns with the camera on the phone, which is pretty cool. I like that touch. So, quick start guide, terms and conditions, other paperwork. Let's put these away. And in this package we got the SIM ejector tool and USB-C to USB-C. Now this is the cool part that I've been waiting for. Oh, nothing else in this box. That's about it. That's all over there. Oh, this looks so cool. I'm so excited. So the Galaxy Flip comes in 3 colors. Comes in gray, green, phantom black, and beige. There is also a burgundy color that I've seen on the Samsung website, but I'm not sure how to purchase that one. But it's cool. I wanted gray green anyway. You can get this in 256 gigabytes, which is what I have, 512 gigabytes, and a terabyte. Okay, so just like the Flip, got a little thing here to peel, a little arrow right here. Just peels off to the side. Okay, forgot about that already. And the top comes off. There it is, basically. And this thing is so cool. I cannot wait to use it. It feels, it's funny. Each half basically feels like the Flip, like. That's probably what it'll feel like when it's closed too, but when I'm holding this, it feels like I'm holding 2 halves of the Galaxy Flip. You know what? Here, let me grab it. Right here. It's okay. It's a little shorter, but it's super thin. This might even be thinner. My goodness. This Fold looks thinner. I thought the Fold was going to be way bigger, considering it's like a tablet, but it's not that much bigger. Smaller than the Flip, and it just feels like 2 of them put together. This is really cool. I thought the Flip was gonna be bigger. I've never held both of these side by side together, so the crease is actually a lot less on the Fold. That's surprising, but this is so cool. The hinge is really nice. Looking forward to testing that hinge out. Basically, we got a very similar setup to the Flip and the Fold. We got a power button, which doubles as a fingerprint sensor, which I really liked on the Flip. I think that's great. It reminds me of the S10e, which I love. I love this power button fingerprint sensor. I think that's much better than the on-screen one. I think it's better. And then we get the volume rocker on top. And then we have a little space here for the antennas. And then we're already looking at the left side. We got the SIM card tray. It's on the left side. You put these together and it almost looks like you have 3 Galaxy Flips. Look at that. It's kind of funny. Kind of funny. I gotta tell you, to be honest, this thing is way cooler than I thought it was gonna be. Like, I was pretty excited, and I always thought it was cool in the store. But it's so much better to take it home and like have it in your hands in your own space. So cool. Now you can see there's the welcome screen is on the outside and the inside at the same time. There's nothing on the back side right now, but I got the welcome screen in the front. Oh, this is This is so exciting. I'm like really excited for this. The tablet is a good size. It's still pretty small, so it's good because, you know, all the Android tablets these days are very big unless you want like a less powerful tablet, like the A line for Samsung. Then they get smaller. But this is a good size. I feel like it would be too big. It wouldn't be as portable, I suppose. This is really cool. I can get you. It's like so small. Look, it's like one-handed and it's so small. And I feel like it would be so cool to like watch movies on this thing. I thought it was gonna be taller. I thought it was gonna be two of these. Like I thought it was gonna be the same size, but it's a little shorter. And it's like it's really easy to hold one-handed for some reason. This is like, ooh. They both have a very skinny screen feel. I didn't think I was gonna like this flip because it's a skinnier screen based off the skinnier screen compared to my S22. But I prefer the screen now after using it so long. It's so much easier to reach across, and I think I'm gonna have the same feelings with the Fold 4's outside screen. I don't think it's gonna bug me that much. So I gotta do a bunch of setup. I'm sure that's kind of boring for you guys, so I'm not even gonna have you stare at me doing setup. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching this very short unboxing. I appreciate it, and I have another unboxing because I got a few more phones right behind me that I gotta do videos for. But I'm super excited for this one. But that's it for now. Thanks for coming, and I'll see you in the review. See you. Have a good one.